When you're making lots of trims and cuts, your timeline can quickly become messy and hard to handle, especially with big projects. To solve this problem, Premiere Pro has handy tools to keep things tidy. Let's start with track targeting. To use it, find the track header in your timeline. It's the area where you see track names like Video 1 or Video 2. This tells Premiere Pro which tracks you're focusing on for edits, making it easier to work with them without affecting others. Another helpful feature is labeling. You can assign colors to track to visually organize them better. To do this, right-click on the track header and choose Label. From the menu, pick a color that represents the type of content on that track, like green for dialogue or blue for music. Markers are also handy for making important points in your timeline. To add a marker, simply right-click on the timeline where you want to place it and select Add Marker. Click on Edit Marker. You can then rename it or even assign colors to different types of markers, like red for edits to review or yellow for important moments.